You can edit it. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Hello. We are so excited to have all of you here and meet you. Welcome to Google Developer Group on Campus's first info session and first meeting of the year. My name is Anusha Pai. I am lead this year. And so we're going to tell you a little bit about our club, what we do, how you can get involved, and how we can build community this year. So just to go through the agenda first. So we're going to go over what Google Developer Group on Campus is. You might have heard of us as GDSC. There was a name change. And so this is our new name. You can still call us GDSC. You can call us GDGC. You can call us the Google Club. We know what you're talking about. How you can get involved, what kind of workshops we have, a special event that we help facilitate called Solution Challenge. We're going to have a little networking activity, and then there will be a swag giveaway, and I will go into more detail towards the latter half of the meeting. But first, we're going to introduce our club affairs officers. So starting out, my name is Anusha. I am a fourth-year computer science major and education minor. I'm also your lead this year. And a fun fact about me, two fun facts. The first is that I really like red Gatorade, and I had some today, so if my lips look a little red, that is why. And then the other fun fact is Reputation is my favorite Taylor Swift album, and I have been waiting for Reputation TV for way too long. Passing it on to Harshada.
Hi, I'm Harshada. I'm a third year right now. I'm also the Director of External Affairs for GDGC. My major is computer science. Fun fact about me, I really like the show or like the anime Death Note, and I have a dedicated shrine for all my Death Note stuff.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm Director of Internal Affairs. I'm a fourth-year computer science game design major. And fun fact about me is that I collect Sunny Angels. So if anyone's like willing to trade with me, let me know because I have a few I'm willing to give up. Yeah.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sophie. I'm a fourth year. I'm also the Director of Monetary Affairs. My major is computer science. And I guess two fun facts is one, I don't know how to ride a bike. And two, I've been playing volleyball for 10 years now, competitively.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jasmine, and I am the other Director of Monetary Affairs. I am a second-year computer engineering major, and a fun fact about me is I like to play piano and play basketball.
So we're just going to go a little bit into what GDG on campus is, and Jasmine will tell you all about that. Fun fact also, there are 2 Anushas and 3 Jasmines on the officer team. So we have the last names. Sometimes we don't use our last names, but if you ever get confused, please just ask.
Okay, so we're going to start on getting to know like what exactly is GDG on campus. So we're known as the Google Developer Group on campus. And what this is it's a global program with chapters across multiple universities that provide resources to those interested in developer technologies and project development. So our main goal is to basically help students expand their networks and explore technical topics and create community with their peers.
So a little bit of history about GDG on campus. It was first founded in 2017 in India for grad students who were unemployed. After that, it's been extended globally. And of course, now we have it in 12,000 universities. And of course, the one in North America. So it's really awesome that we have GDG everywhere around the world.
So as mentioned before, we as a club aim to bridge the gap between the theoretical knowledge that you learn throughout your academic classes and the practical industry and teamwork skills necessary to be successful in your careers and also create your own projects. We aim to do this by our club's two main functions: our technical workshops, where we teach industry standard technologies to prepare you more directly for the skills most sought after today, and the Google Solution Challenge, which puts the knowledge into practice and is a great way to learn essential teamwork and collaboration skills.
So we have two different categories of events, which are instruction and solution challenge. Through instruction events, you can learn new skills and meet people. We host tons of workshops. Some topics we host workshops for include LeetCode, Firebase, Google Cloud, React.js, and much, much more. For solution challenge events, we have our solution challenge kickoff next Wednesday on October 9th. There you'll get to meet some of your peers and start forming teams for the challenge. For the challenge, you pick a topic that you're passionate about that revolves around the 17 UN development goals, and you create a project around that, which is typically a website or an app. We help you with every step of the way, providing workshops, work sessions, and support. Joining the Solution Challenge helps build community as well as teach you project management and collaboration skills. You're not restricted to only going to either instruction events or solution challenge events, but you can go to all to get the most experience and knowledge in these technologies. We're going to go more into depth on these types of events later in the info session. In terms of time commitments, attending instruction events, we typically have 3 or more workshops per quarter. For the solution challenge, you have freedom to use as much time as you need, but we recommend using 3 to 5 hours a week from fall to winter quarter. Now I'll hand it over to the directors of instruction to tell us more about our workshops.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. We are the instruction team. We'll be hosting almost all your workshops for this year. So, hi, everyone. I'm Matthew Joseph. I am a first-year master's student here. I've been part of the club for the past 4 years. And fun fact about me, I'm really passionate about geocaching and Formula One. So if you're interested in any of those topics, we'd love to rant with you.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Liao. I am a second-year computer engineering major. And a fun fact about me is that I like to collect Pokemon cards.
Hi, everyone. I'm Reva. I'm a second-year computer science major, and I've joined the club last year. And my fun fact is that I really enjoy dancing. I'm actually taking an intro to Latin dance class right now.
Hi, everyone. My name is Siddhant. I'm also a second-year CS student, and I joined with Jasmine and Reva. My fun fact is that I really like The Legend of Zelda. So if you want to discuss Zelda lore, feel free to come up to me. And yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sean. I'm a third-year computer science student here. And a fun fact about me is that I really enjoy collecting coins.
So our workshops typically entail 1 to 2 hour events, and we go on a wide range of topics. First one that you guys are probably most interested is like career development. We go over questions on how to prepare for the software engineering interview, such as LeetCode, but also how to improve your resume, how to get better at networking. So we have some workshops that we'll talk about upcoming on that. We also teach you upcoming technical skills, such as teaching you the upcoming latest Google technologies like AI, cloud, and so on and so forth. And we also want to empower you and get you ready to build your own projects. And we'll go on to that more.
Oops. Matthew did kind of cover it, but just to get some speaking time in. By the end of it, we just really want you guys to have some experiences to list on your resume and be ready for when you are applying to jobs, and also just like gain confidence in different technical skills. So I hope you guys can make some friends and just really get learning here.
Yeah, so we're going to introduce you to new technologies. You're going to learn a lot of new things. It's going to be a collaborative environment. It's going to be a community basically. You can feel free to ask any types of questions, whether it's workshop related or just in general. Yeah.
As for upcoming workshops, our first one's actually next week on October 8th. And our first one's going to be just general setup, debugging and installing dependencies, where we get your laptops configured for all the technologies we're going to teach you, go over some debugging techniques, and overall get anyone who needs up to speed with what we're going to be doing.
And the Getting Experience workshop will be the week after that. I'll be leading that. And Essentially what we do in that workshop is we help build your resume and find opportunities, whether it's lead coding or like hackathons. We have resources for that. And yeah, we'll just be working on that.
The workshop following that is going to be Intro to Commons Tech Stacks. So after coming to the first one where you have all your environment set up, we're going to be going to tech stacks where we discuss, front end, back end, how to select from like the millions of technologies that are out there, how to ensure compatibility, stuff like that. And we'll get you started by making like a boilerplate project. From there, you can build more.
This workshop's pretty self-explanatory, but the GitHub workshop is just an introduction on how to use GitHub and to understand how to use like branches, merges, commits. Yeah, that's yeah.
I forgot to add, but one of our goals this year is so that you can leave a workshop with some sort of code written so that you can work on it later and really just apply the skills even after the workshop.
Next, we have upcoming solution challenge.
Hello. So we are your solution challenge team for this year. My name is Anusha. I am the other Anusha, part of the club. And I am a third year computer science major. And a fun fact about me is I can't eat a spicy Dorito without grabbing a bottle of water, as in I can't take any spice. So yeah, that's a little bit about me.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sebastian. I'm a third year computer science major. And a fun fact about me is that I'm a big roller coaster enthusiast. I've been on Railblazer at Great America 254 times in my life.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Serbi. I'm a second year cognitive science major and I'm minoring in computer science. And a fun fact about me is that I have a twin sister. So.
Hey y'all, I'm Driti. I'm a third year computer science major, and a fun fact about me, or people tend to find this to be a fun fact, is I'm from Arkansas and I'm really into cars.
Hi, everyone. My name is Koena. I'm a second year computer science major. And I guess two fun facts about me. One, I used to be a black belt in I still am a black belt in martial arts. And I really like books. So if you have any book recommendations or you just want to talk about it, feel free to come up to me. Yeah.
So let's talk a little bit more in detail about the solution challenge. So as you might already know, the solution challenge is a competition that occurs every year. And basically the goal is for students in GDGC communities to come together and work on projects that will benefit the community and solve either local or global community problems. And the requirement is you have to use at least one Google developer technology or product or platform. And so what's in it for you is that you'll learn the skills that you need to make a valuable project, and you'll also be able to develop community with your team and with other GDGC communities around the globe.
Yeah, so this was touched on already, but basically to compete in the challenge, teams will develop apps that focus on one of the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which includes things like improving education, reducing poverty, and to things like building more sustainable cities and communities. So there's a wide range on these goals, and you will work with your team to develop an app that addresses one of these goals and just overall creates a positive impact. So what our club offers is that we have we have mentors, which are the solution challenge coordinators, and we will be there every step of the way through your product development, and we'll help with things like brainstorming and then fully fleshing out your ideas for your app, as well as helping you guys keep track on deadlines and things like that, so you can successfully complete the solution challenge. So I also want to emphasize that there's no experience required, as we also host instruction events, which was talked about before. So if you're worried about not having enough technical skills, there's opportunities to learn that as well.
Okay, so if you guys decide to take part in the solution challenge, which we really hope you do, this is kind of like a timeline and what the next year is going to look like. So in fall quarter, we're going to start forming teams, and then we're going to come up with, we're going to have you guys come up with an idea and kind of flush your ideas out through creating a project proposal. And then we're going to have help you guys figure out what kind of tech stack that you guys want to use, and then you guys can start coding. And then in winter quarter, you guys are gonna meet with one of us once a week to kind of get support and continue developing your applications, and then hopefully finish coding your applications. And then once we get to spring quarter, congratulations, you finally submitted your project, and we'll still host other projects related to events throughout the quarter.
Okay, so if you want to get some ideas of what has been done in the past, these are some examples of past projects that we've had at UCSC. So one of them was Slug Loop, which helps you track like in real time where the loop buses or the metro buses are. So if any of you have already like missed a bus or like don't know where to find that, maybe you could use this. And then the second one is actually done by me and my team last year. So this was a way to find volunteering opportunities in the greater Santa Cruz community. So this is also something you can check out. And then the third one was Rose, which helps report overdoses on campus, which is a great way to like anonymously help contribute to the community and like show where drug overdoses have happened in the past. And lastly, we have Slug School, which helps you. Yeah, I just want to confirm. Slug School, yeah, which helps you make enrollment decisions about like professors and classes and things like that. So we have demo videos for each of them. So if you want to check that out, you should definitely go ahead and do that.
Okay, so now that we kind of talked about some projects that past UCSC students have done, we can kind of go over what are projects that won for the top 10 in the entire world. We're kind of cheating a little bit because the first project is one that placed top 10 in the world done by UCSC students. It was Slug Loop that was just talked about for tracking loop buses on campus. This was like they placed top 10 in 2023. So that was really cool. And the next one we have is Glutera from Indonesia. And this app is really cool. We wanted to highlight this one because it can show the potential for creating a mobile application with Internet of Things. So this application was used to help diabetes patients monitor their glucose levels without having to do a finger prick. So they created a wristband that uses near infrared signals to track the light concentration in their hand, which correlates to the intensity of their intensity of their glucose levels. So they connected that device to a mobile application, and that was their project. So that was really cool. And the last one we have here highlighted is called Spoonshare, and this project is from a team in India. They basically targeted so basically when you have like events that have a lot of food and then you have leftover food that gets wasted, they wanted to have these events posted on a application saying, hey, we have leftover food. If anybody needs food, come and here's free food. But for companies who didn't want to put their free food out, they also redirected them to like environmental friendly areas like compost sites. So those are just some options that place top 10 in the whole world. And if you're interested in any of these or just want to check out more, you can just Google them and you can see like a 2-minute pitch video that are posted that you guys will submit to if you do create a solution challenge project. Yeah.
And then, of course, since it's a competition, you might be wondering what you can win from the competition. So there are 3 different categories. So if you place top 50, you'll receive mentoring from Google, and that will help you improve your projects for the top 10. And then you'll also receive some swag and a certificate. And then if you make it to the top 10, you'll get to showcase your project to Googlers and other developers. And then, of course, you'll also get more mentorship from Google and more swag. And then if you make it to the very prestigious top 3, then you'll get to win $3,000 and other amazing prizes like chatting with a Google executive and a Chromebook. And then I also want to note that within our community, our chapter, if you complete the solution challenge and you demo your project in the spring, you'll get to receive free t-shirts and also really cool prizes. I think last year we had a Nintendo Switch Lite and a Google Home Assistant. So
I would like to mention my year when I did this, I won the Apple Watch as a raffle. So really cool raffle prizes. Oh, it's me. Okay. So if you're super interested in it and you want to learn more about the solution challenge part, which is just building an app or a web application or something, you should definitely come to our solution challenge kickoff event, which is exactly 1 week from today, same time, same place, October 9th, 6 to 7, where we're going to talk more about what exactly is solution challenge. And we're going to give you guys an opportunity to meet with your peers, maybe think about forming teams and just brainstorm some cool ideas that you guys have to make some cool changes in the world.
Now, Harshada is going to go over a few more logistics. I know it's very hot in here. Thank you so much for your attention and for staying and for your interest. And then we will be doing a quick feedback form. We want to hear what your thoughts are and what you would want to see from us. And then we are going to do a social event, and then we will be doing the giveaway based on who fills out the feedback form. So
we do have a website, and this year we do hope to post on it a lot more. You can scan the QR code. There's also many other GDGC websites that you can do. Just make sure you click join us. It's the blue button. And please make sure to join our Discord. We're very active on here. We'll always post reminders, as well as like it's our main form of communications. You can talk to any of us.
Yes, and I just want to emphasize, these are our next 2 upcoming events. This will be happening next week. First event will be happening on October 8th, Tuesday, which is our debugging and installing dependencies workshop. Again, it'll be at 4 to 5 in this room, E2 180. And also the following day, it will be the Solution Challenge kickoff. So this will be our first official Solution Challenge event of the year. So if you're interested in Solution Challenge, definitely stop by. It'll be from 6 to 7 p.m. on Wednesday, October 9th. Same room, same place. And both of these events will be posted on our Instagram and Discord after this meeting. So just stay tuned for that and let us know if you have any questions.
So thank you so much for attending. Please make sure to fill out our feedback form to enter the raffle. And we're thinking of doing the raffle at the end of our meeting because we'll also be doing some networking. So please make sure to stay if you want to actually like be considered for the raffle. But yeah, please make sure you fill this out.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. So I'm going to take like 3 minutes to fill out the feedback form. Feel free to leave. This is the end of the info part of the session. We will be doing a networking session and we will be moving outside for some air. And so we're going to be splitting people into groups. But if you need to go, if you don't want to stay for that, you are free to leave. But please do fill out the feedback form. We want to know what kind of events you want to see, what you thought of the session. So I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes for this. Feel free to talk as well. And then in 3 minutes, whoever is left, we're going to start dividing people up and networking. That's such a good question. We have a couple. We have minutes. Yeah. If you give us your email, you might put it.